Good morning, everybody. How are you today? Fine. Sorry, teacher. Yesterday we didn't take a Zoom period because of the internet connection. Okay, so I sent for you educational files to write to do exercise for page 63. So today, teacher, we will correct exercise for page 63, and I will explain for you exercise 3. Yeah, let's start correcting exercise 4. Page 63, match the following. Page 63. Here there's a mistake, teacher. We can't say ones. Please cross out ones in all, okay? Cross out ones on your math books. 7, okay, is the ones digit, but when we want to write it in letters, we can't say 7 ones if it's in the whole part. So 7 and 2,308, 10,000. How do we write it in digits? 7 means 7 and means point. Now let's read the decimal part. 2,308. 10,000 means how many dashes? 4 dashes in the decimal part. Let's fill them. 2,308. How do we write it? 2,308. We write it in this way. So which one is the correct choice? This part. Okay. The second one, 72. In which one the whole part is 72? Here it's 7. 7 is just in this part. So quickly, no need to check the others. This is the correct choice. 7 and 308 now, thousandth. So how many digits in the decimal part? We have 3 digits. 7 and 308. So the first one, just read it in a correct way. Remaining number is the last one. I want to tell you something, teacher. Here they added 0. We can add plenty of zeros in the decimal part, the number will not change. Yani 1.2 the same as 1 point, plenty of zeros. The number will not change just if we are adding zeros where? In the decimal part at the end. Now 7 plus 2,308 over 10,000. Over 10,000 means 4 digits. What are these digits? 2308 in the decimal part. Check in which one. It's the last one, 2308. So this is the correct choice. 72, and in which one that whole part is 72? Just in this part. 7 plus 0.3 plus 0.008. We said it before. We write 7.0.3. So here 3 is the 10th digit. Here 1, 2, 3. It's the thousandth. So we have to place 3 digits. 10th, 100th, 1000th. من هي 10th هي 3. 100th there is no. من هي 1000 it's 8. So 7.308 is the correct choice. So the last one for the remaining number. Okay, please correct it on your math book. Check it, please. Before we start with exercise 3 part A, I want to give you example how do we solve it. 3.703. Here we have a table. We have 3 boxes, decimal number, expanded decimal, and letter 4. Expanded decimal means we will expand them. We will write sum of decimal numbers. Okay, sum of decimal numbers. First step, دايما the whole part I will keep it the same. So it's a 3 plus. هلا decimal part I will expand them each digit alone. Okay. طيب. Let's revise. What is the place value of the first digit in the decimal part? هي 10th. The second one 100th and then 1000. دايما بأي question we need the place value 10th, 100th, 1000. طيب بما إنه 7 هي 10th. 7 tenth. So how do we write 7 tenth? It's the same as 7 over 10. Type 7 over 10. How do we write it as a decimal number? 0.7 plus. هلا الزيرو اللي هي next digit I will skip it. No need لأنه plus 0 هو nothing. Now I will go to 3. 3 هي 1000. طيب 3000th. 3000th. How do we write it as a decimal number? 0.3 dashes will 3 at the end will empty space zeros. يعني الاكسباندد فورم هو 3 plus 0.7 plus 0.003. How do we write it in letters? First step, we copy the whole part, it's a 3. The point is written as and. Then we read the decimal part. How do we read 703? 703. Okay? 703. طيب, how many digits do we have in the decimal part? 3 digits, so we have to say thousandth. Okay? The second one, I gave you the expanded decimal. You want to know the decimal part. First, this number, اللي هو whole number, represents the whole part, 127 point. Now I count the digits after the decimal point. How many digits do we have here? 2. How many digits do we have here after the point? 4. The biggest number هو 4. We have to place 4 dashes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 I will place it under 4. 6 I will place it under 2. Will empty space zeros. How do we write it in letters? 127 the whole part. The point is written as and. Then how do we read this number? 0, it's nothing. 608. But we have 4 dashes, so 10,000. So no need to write it. I will do it already. 127 and 608, 10,000. Here it's wrong. I will give you the letter form. 12 and 4 tenths. Yeah, how do we write it as a decimal number? 12 and 4 tenths. It's 12.4 tenths. Tenth means we have just one digit. Which digit? It's 4. طيب, how do we write the expanded decimal? The whole part we copy it دايما the same plus. الديسيمال بارت هلا عندنا بس 4. طيب ال 4 هي tenth. شو يعني 4 tenths? 4 over 10. How do we write it as a decimal number? 0.4. That's it. Okay, because the 4 is the first digit after the decimal point. So we explained exercise 3. Now, yeah, teacher, please do alone exercise 3 part A. And on Monday in the Zoom period, we will correct exercise. We will do exercises 3A, B together. Okay, please finish them. See you on Monday, guys. Sorry, because on Thursday I had to poor connection, so we can't open the Zoom period. Okay, see you on Monday. Bye bye.